Tulsa Welding School always gives some great ideas for a potential education and work here in Jacksonville. Today, we're going to talk about an electrical line worker program. So let's welcome Michael Cole, Regional Campus President. Y'all, good to see you again, man.
Good to see you as well.
All right, so tell us a little bit about the new electrical line worker classes.
So we have a new class that's coming out for line worker that's going to start August 26th. We have a few spots left. It's a limited enrollment, so we've got a few spots left for that enrollment class. Basically, what's going to happen is the students are going to come in, learn how to be a line worker, climb poles, be able to do the repair, the maintenance, the troubleshooting. And, you know, we live in Florida, so the hurricane season's here. They're going to be the folks that are part of that first responder for us.
Gotcha. All right, so what inspired the decision to offer electrical line worker classes? Like, what's the need for it?
So, as we talk about all the time with our welding program, it's the same type of deal. It's a retiring and an aging out workforce, or people are looking for career changes. So there's a need for the line workers as that occurs. We also look at things as far as skilled trades. We're trying to become more diverse in our offerings. So as you know, we have the electrical and the HVAC. This is the next step in our progression. Start to do something more with the skilled trades, which is off absolute demand right now.
Absolutely. Okay, so walk me through like the line worker program. What am I gonna do, right? Because I like to get my hands dirty.
Yeah, and you're gonna get your hands very dirty. You come in and you're gonna learn how to set up poles. In fact, we already have some poles set up in the parking lot.
Cool.
Students are gonna start pretty much day one climbing up the poles and learning how to do that, then being able to wire the electricity to it. They're gonna also learn how to do some of the things on the ground, underground, and above overhead construction as it relates to line work.
So underground, so they got to go down like manholes and
they're gonna dig. They're gonna have to dig up wires.
Dig it up.
That's right. They're gonna have to dig up the wires.
So they're getting their hands dirty.
That's right. Very much so. Very much so.
Okay, so how long does the program take?
Program is 15 weeks.
15 weeks. Okay, wow.
Quick investment of time.
Yeah.
Quick investment of time.
15 weeks and you're out there earning money.
Absolutely. And you gain some certifications. So you'll get a certification in pole climbing, AC/DC units, as I said, overhead and underground construction, and the National Code for Electricity. So some certifications that come within that 15 weeks as well.
Yeah, that's really cool. That was a great segue. You just snatched the next question right up. It's perfect. Okay, so, you know, who are we really looking for, right? Like outside watching right now, who is our target audience?
I will tell you, with the trades, it's anybody. You've got the folks that are 18 right out of high school that aren't necessarily wanting to go to a four-year university. They want to get out there and get their hands dirty, as you mentioned.
Yeah.
And we have some folks that are trying to change careers, that have done some office settings, that have decided that, you know, that's not what they want to do. They want to go out there and they want to do something that's a little more physical. They want to do something that's a little more active. And we also just recently got approval for VA students. So veterans,
right on.
Yeah, so our veteran students can now use VA funding to go there. So anyone that's coming out of the military that's looking to change their career outside of it, that would work for them as well.
That's cool. Yeah, because, you know, you have a lot of electrical workers and things like that that are in the military, so that would be really, I would imagine, like a pretty cool and easy transition.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Just make sure you're not afraid of heights.
Right, yeah, exactly. All right, so Michael, where can we send folks if they want to learn any more information or they want to enroll?
So conveniently, we have an open house that's tonight. So from 6 to 7:30 at our 1750 Southside Boulevard location, we have an open house going on tonight. And also you can find the information on the website, www.tws.edu.
Perfect. Mr. Cole, thank you so very much. I always appreciate hanging out with you.